Hi, architects. Today I'm going to share with you a PowerPoint that I would have shared with you if we were in class, and it's about our next phase for the ideation sketches for the LAMP project. Um, what is an ideation sketch or a thumbnail sketch? A thumbnail sketch is a sketch that art directors, storyboard artists, and architects, interior, industrial, and graphic designers, as well as other kind of visual artists, use the term thumbnail sketch to describe a small drawing on paper, usually part of a group, that's used to explore multiple ideas quickly. And I have some examples here for you to look at. So they're not really refined sketches. It's really about just getting your ideas down on paper so that other people can see them. Because as you know, what we have in our heads might not actually be what another person is imagining if you were to just describe it to them. So here's some examples. This one is some interior furniture. Again, not very detailed and just kind of looking for inspiration. Here you can see, I think this is a somehow a bar. I think this is some designs for the interior of a hotel or a restaurant. Um, Here's some examples of sketches for lamps. And in this one, it looks like they're using mountains, let's say, or a range of mountains as the inspiration, and are kind of looking at and exploring different sorts of forms. In this one, it looks like they're thinking about different shapes, how they might go together, maybe strips of cardboard, how the light bulb might hang in it. In this one, this looks a little bit more refined, but it looks like they're putting together an idea and using the slotting method with paper and cardboard, perhaps, and maybe ways that the light bulb would sit in the cardboard. Again, here's some other ones looking at different ways that the cardboard could go, both horizontally and vertically. And these are very simple sketches. They're really not supposed to be finished. This is some from people who have done this project before. Here's some ideas of a way to create kind of a stand and maybe what the form of the lampshade might look like. And then here's a design that's kind of a square with some strip as detail. I think you saw this one when we looked at the presentation of the final design. And so the student was exploring different ways to make a form and ultimately kind of had that robotic form on the for his final lamp and maybe ways that the light would come through. So what you're going to do is you're going to sketch one page of ideas for your lamp on unlined paper. Copy paper that might be in a printer works best, but if you only have lined paper, that's fine. There must be a minimum of about 5 thumbnail sketches on your page. Think about forms, think about ways that you might cut the cardboard and put it together using the slotting method or maybe a tab or using slots to kind of hold the cardboard together. Put your name on the sketches and scan your sketches if you have a scanner or use your phone to take a picture. There's a scan feature on your phone. If you have an iPhone, it's through the Notes app, and if you have an Android phone, it's through the Drive app. And what you can do is just kind of select scan instead of photo. And right here is a tutorial. There's a link directly to this in the classroom. Um, and it's here. And I'm sorry you're only seeing part of it. But it's it's available to you and it's attached to the classroom as well. Also, and then once you've scanned it, upload the concept sketches to the assignment on the classroom. And we'll take a look at them on Thursday. Thanks very much. I look forward to seeing your work.